In order to connect GitHub to Claude AI, the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to Claude AI like you normally would and make sure you are signed into your account. Afterwards, go to the bottom left, select on your profile picture, then select on settings just like so. Go to the left menu and select over here where it says connectors. And what you're able to do is you're able to press on this option that says browse connectors and then look for GitHub. However, if you see it over here, then you should be good to go. But anyways, all you want to do is you want to press on connect over here. Then it is going to prompt you to sign into GitHub. So make sure to go ahead and do that. Okay, so for this example, I'm going to be using this account right over here. So make sure to go ahead and sign in, press on continue. And then afterwards, you need to select on link account right over here. You may need to go ahead and provide a verification code, so please be prepared to do that. And once you guys are 1000% sure, select on authorize Claude just like so. All right, then it is going to redirect you back to Claude, and now it is going to say connected. And from there, you're able to improve your workflow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.